You know, hungry or Shane? You know, want something to eat?
We can ask you something.
Yeah, ask me. Ask me, yeah, ask me.
Why you so nice to me?
Because I know you feel for being lonely. You don't talk about it. But I know you're lonely. Because no matter how independent you feel, you're still a child. Not every child need them parent or parents. Talk to me, man. Tell me how you feel.
Most man talk to me because I'm like how I look. I get it so much, me immune to it. But me feel like them not really know me. When it comes to you and Marsha, I feel seen. Like when actually listen to me.
So, how is Marsha doing after everything?
I don't know. I haven't checked on her. I just feel like she vexed with me.
Why you feel so?
Because ever since we come